Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Digital Schooling. I am fine and I hope you all will be fine, inshallah. Now, let's we start our English class. Okay, Oxford English Open Door, Oxford Open Door English Book 1. Open page number 18, students. Unit number 3. Unit name is Big Pot. We have already done our reading activity in previous video, and now it is a very interesting story for kids. It means that it tells us about the noises and movement of different animals. Okay, now we move on page number 22. Exercise B, comprehension. Students, comprehension means understanding. Okay, to understand some exercise or anything. B1, complete. Complete these lines with suitable words: long, fat, thin, small, big, tall. A dash snack. Long snack, fat snack, thin snack. Suitable word is long. This is a long snack. Okay, long. We will write here long. Okay. B dash red. A thin red. Okay, thin, not fat, thin red. C dash frog. Frog looks fat. Okay, a fat frog. D big wolf. E a tall bird. Okay, this is tall. A small fly. Fly is small here, not big. B2. Now we move on B2. Complete the sentences with these words. These words: runs, slithers, flies, jumps. A, the rat runs. This has already done to us. B, the frog jumps. Okay, we know that frog jumps. C, the snake slithers. We have already read in this lesson the snake slithers. D, the bird flies. Okay, birds is singular, then flies is singular. Okay. B3 exercise. Wow, now we move on. Exercise B3, match. Match means join words with lines, okay, and make a proper sentence, okay, with full stop. Copy the sentences in your notebook. A. One day, a woman drops a pot. Now, the pot has a crack. Then a fly comes to live in the pot. D. After some time, a rat, frog, snake, bird, and wolf come in, means come in the pot. We have read in the story. They all come in the pot. After some time. In the end, the pot has a crack. The pot has a crack. Okay. Now the pot has a crack. Okay. In the end, we see here in the end. What happened in the end? In the end, the pot falls to bits. Okay. We can see in this lesson, pot falls to bits. Here we have read that pot falls to bit. Bit means pieces. Okay. Number A. One day a woman drops a pot. One day a woman drops a pot. This has done for us. See word reading and spelling. Read the phonic words, learn the spellings, complete the sentences. Phonic words. We have already read that. What do you mean by phonic words? Phonic means sound of the word. Okay. Hiss, hiss, SS are the phonic words. Hiss, SS are the phonic words. FF are the phonic words. Okay. It makes sound. Hiss, hiss, miss. Double F, huff, puff, off. Buzz, double Z, buzz, buzz, puzzle. Okay. Now move on exercise 1A. The red says E. We have learned in the lesson the sound of red. Here, sound of red. Here. Then a thin rat runs along. E says the rat. Okay. The fly says buzz, buzz. The frog says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Okay. D. The snake says hiss, hiss. E. The bird says ree, ree. The wolf says huff, puff. Do the puzzle, make animals. Move on. Exercise 2. Make animals words out of letter. Count the letter in each word. Okay. We here we will arrange the word, meaningful word. Okay. R O G F. F R O G, frog. 1 2 3 4, 4 letters. Okay. D B I R. B I R D, bird. We arrange this word B I R D, bird. 1 2 3 4, 4 letters. Snack. S N A K E. Snack. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 letters. Rat. 1 2 3, 3 letters. Fly. 1 2 3 letters. Okay. Fly has 3 letters. Wolf has 4 letters. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Read the phonic words, learn the spelling. Read tricky words as a whole. We have already read about tricky words. Tricky words means uh, that words speak out at some difficult level. Difficult speaking, speak out in difficult way. Okay, not easy in the box. Okay. 5. Complete the sentences with words from the all box. Okay. A. The fly is small. B. The bird is tall. C. The animals all live happily in the pot. D. Anyone there calls the wolf. Okay. The wolf gets in the pot and it falls into bits, into pieces. Okay. Exercise. Now we move on exercise. Exercise 6. Okay. A. One baby cries. Baby is singular and cries is singular. We use cries with one baby. Okay. B. Two babies. Two babies cry. Cry is plural. C. One bird flies. D. Two birds fly. Okay. Now D. Grammar and D. Grammar and punctuation. Grammar. Grammar means to write a word, a sentence, or a paragraph within the rules, under the rules, and punctuation to do proper the sentence. Okay, with adding question mark, full stop, comma, etc. Okay. Answer: yes, it does, or no, it does not. If sentence is yes, we write here yes. If sentence is not correct, we write here does not. Okay. Does the fly jump? No, it does not. Does the rat run? Yes, it does. Does the bird slither? No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Not bird slither. Snack slithers. Okay. Does the frog jump? Yes, it does. Does the snake slither? Yes, it does. Does the wolf fly? No, it does not. Okay. All box. Now move on to exercise 2. Sentences are made of words. Correct? It means that words make sentences. Count the words in each sentence, copy them and leave big gap between the words. Start with a capital letter. Okay. A rat runs along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words. That is a big pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sentence has 5 words. This has 4 words. This has 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to live in it. Hello. 1 word. Come along in. 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, students. This is the end of your lesson, today lesson. Now your homework is to learn all the classwork. Okay. Now I am going to end this video for another one. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, and we will meet again with a new lesson and new video. Till then, take your take your uh, health and take your study. Okay. Now I am going to end this video for another one. Until then, bye bye. Take care of your study and take care of your health. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.